What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you have enjoyed the series so far. We're getting a roof on. I'm stoked. As you can see behind me, we've got this gnarly 4-ply girder that we flew in, all as one prefabbed in yesterday's video. I'm not gonna lie, my heart was racing a little bit. Not because I thought the thing was gonna fall or that the crane was gonna lose it, but it was big. 32 foot by 32 foot, all 4-ply girders, structural screwed with the big SDWSs that I have shown you guys before. It held together and it's in place. Now for today's video, we're going to be doing all of the fill trusses in between, all the mono trusses off the back, and pretty much wrapping this whole section up over there. So I'm going to give you guys a basic rundown on how all this goes together. From here to here, this is all gonna fill out that way. From there back, everything fills out that way. Now there is one big truss that goes from here over to there, and then everything out here is all commons. And then on this section over here, we're just gonna have mono trusses going off of there, which are these out here. LUS 28 hangers that we're gonna put on with a positive placement gun all the way along that 4-ply girder. These will drop right into place. Good now.
We'll push it all the way to front outside.
Yep.
Drop the strap.
We're about to do some loud up on this girder here and get some hangers on it. Super stoked. They need to make one of these that moves quicker. Q's dog sitting today. So we've got a little bit of a bow in our 4-ply girder. We're trying to correct it. So those ones down there are good. This one here, as you can see, we have a boat in the 4-ply girder, so it's causing these to sit way far out. We're gonna attempt to put this LS out here, push it with the forks and nail it.
Keep on pushing. This one's good. I want to nail this one. I think we need to push this one and see what it does.
getting these little 5s on here to where we could slap another truss up next to it. Yeah. That's right, Q, you inched me. Damn you, Q. You cut this at 6 inches instead of 5 like I asked you.
Hey, Fox, will you whack an inch off of this thing? Q inched me. Yep.
This section is coming together. Tricky little section. Like I told you guys before, it's not gonna be easy. We battled this not being straight. That thing was really bad. It took a gnarly bow right about there, pushed all these trusses out. We had to fork them back in, tie them into that wall there. Now the thing's pretty dang straight. We got all this filled in, a couple trusses out here, 2 more to go. We've got 1 more doubler and then our gable end. We're gonna build that out tomorrow. We'll sheet it, get it completely built, then fly it into place. Nothing left to do up there. You guys can see how big this vault is gonna be in here. Much straighter. That thing took a gnarly bow that way. Glad to see it's fixed though. Tomorrow we're gonna work on getting all this fill done inside of here. Should be pretty much wrapped up tomorrow with this little section. We did get good news today though. My truck is finished, transmission is installed, and the thing drives like a brand new Chevy. We're gonna leave here and go pick it up. Super stoked to be driving that thing again. That is all we have time for. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more, please hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell icon to the right of it. Leave a like on this video, drop a comment, any questions you got, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bang on.